Okay, so we are going to talk about algebra tiles today. So if you have sets of tiles of 3 sides, we will call them algebra tiles. Suppose the big square has a side length of x and the small square has the side length of 1. Can you mark the dimensions along the sides, then write the areas of each tiles in the center and circle it?
Okay. Is that correct?
Yes. Can you find the area of each of the tails if x equals to 4?
Okay, let me try. So the first one is 1. The second one should be if x equal to 4, 1 times 4 equal to 4. So the second one, the area is 4. And the third one is 4 times 4 equal to 16.
Good. Can you find the area of each tail if x is to 6?
Wow. So the first one is still the same. The second one should be 1 times 6 equal to 6. 6 times 6 equal to 36. Is that correct?
Yes. So number 3, can you represent each of the following situations with an algebraic expression? So the first one, for A, there's 2 squares and 3 3 long tails and 4 small squares. So
do I find the area of all of them together? So for A is 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Is that right?
yes. And can you do the rest of them?
Okay, no problem. So 3x plus 5.
Yes.
Wow, what's the third one?
Third one is 38 small squares and 20 rectangles, 5 large squares.
So is that 5x squared plus 20x plus 38?
Yes.
Wow, amazing.
How about D?
So do I have to write off them or I have just to write the answer?
You have to write off them.
Okay.
So for each one.
So x squared plus 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus x squared plus 3x equal to 2x squared plus 5x plus 4.
Yes, correct.
Amazing. This is easy.
So here is some word problems. The first one is have one person take out two big squares, 3 rectangles, and 1 small square on his desk. Another person takes out 1 big square, 5 rectangles, and 8 small squares on her desk. You decide to put all the tiles together. Write an algebraic equation to represent this situation. Your equation should look like this. So we're going to use the picture to see. So let's see the first person take out 2 big squares.
So 2 big squares, 2x squared.
And 3 rectangles.
3x.
And 1 small square.
Plus 1.
Yes. And then let's see the second person. She takes out 1 big square.
X squared.
And 5 rectangles.
5x.
And 8 small squares.
Plus 8.
Yeah. What's the total of this?
Let me check. 3x squared plus 8x plus 9.
Yeah. Let's see the second one. You are busy working on a problem with algebra tiles. You have 3 big squares, 5 rectangles, and 10 small squares on your desk when your friend leans over and borrows 2 big squares, 2 rectangles, and 4 small squares. Write an algebraic equation that represents the tiles you had, what your friend took, and the tiles you have left.
Is that right? 3x squared plus 5x plus 10 minus 2x squared minus 2x minus 4.
Yes. And what's the total? What's left?
It should be x squared plus 3x plus 6.
Yes, correct. And next question is, show the following using your algebra tiles. The first one is 2x not equal to x squared. Can you draw it out?
Oh, sure. 2 rectangle not equal to square.
Yeah. And the second one is 3x plus x not equal to 3x squared.
3 rectangle plus 1 rectangle is not equal to 3 squares.
Yes, correct. The next one is 2x minus x not equal to 2.
Okay, so 2 rectangle minus 1 rectangle is not equal to 2. The small square. 2 small square. That's right?
Yes.
Okay.
So can you simplify the following equation by combining like terms? The first one is 3x plus 4x.
7x.
Yes. The second one is 5x plus 6x minus 3x.
Wait, 6, not 6x.
5x plus 6 minus 3x. Sorry.
2x plus 6.
Yes. And next one is 5a plus 6 minus 3a.
2a plus 6.
18y minus 10y plus 6y.
14y.
Okay, so negative a plus 2 plus 8a minus 7.
Oh, this is hard. It should be 7a minus 5.
Yes. And the last one, 1 over 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4.
It should be 3/4 of x minus 1 over 4.
You're so smart.
Thank you very much.
And let's see the next one. Using algebra tiles, make an illustration to show that 2 times x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 6.
Do I have to draw them out?
Yeah, can you draw them out?
Of course. So 1 rectangle plus 3 small square plus 1 more rectangle and 3 more small square.
So what's the so
which is 2 rectangle and 6 small square, right?
yes. So that'll be 2x plus 6, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And do you know what is the property illustrated in the last question?
No. What is that?
It's distributive property.
Oh, I think I have learned that in high school. But I already forgot. Thank you for reminding me.
So next question is simplify the following first by using the distributive property, then combining like terms. The first one is 5 times 2x minus 8 parentheses minus 3.
So it's 10x minus 40 minus 3, so it's 10x minus 43.
Yes, correct. The next one is 7 minus 3 times parentheses 2x plus 1 parentheses.
7 minus 6x minus 3 equals negative 6x plus 4.
Yes, correct. Did you learn do you know how to do algebra tiles today?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you.